So Coutinho's time at Bayern Munich is coming to an end, and it's very much certain that Bayern Munich won't exercise their option of making the loan move permanent by giving Barcelona 120 million euros. So what's next for Coutinho? Where should he be headed to? Is Barcelona the best place for him, or should he consider the move to Premier League? So let's try and find out in this video. Alright, welcome back guys. Coutinho's time at Bayern Munich is definitely coming to an end. Because of the resurgence of Muller and Goretzka, he has been used second fiddle to both of them. So, अब क्या करे वो? What could be the next likely destination for him? And there was a clause in his signing when he made from Liverpool to Barcelona. So अगर वो 100 appearances complete करेगा Barcelona में, so Barcelona will have to pay another amount of 20 million euros to Liverpool. So एक बहुत बड़ी problem है Barcelona के साथ. Whether they should use him and pay that extra 20 million or else put him on loan or try to sell him. But मुझे नहीं लगता कि इस era में जब कोरोना वायरस के बाद because the football world economically has struggled way too much and I don't think so कि जो 120 million price tag है Coutinho का would still be feasible. So I don't think so Barcelona 120 million या even 100 million expect करेगा. So his price tag has been declined from 120 to somewhere in the range of 60 to 70. Still, there are teams who are reluctant to do that purchase because they don't know whether Coutinho will flourish there or not. So let's see कि why Coutinho failed at Barcelona. Because basic blame जाता है Valverde को. Valverde used him as a left winger. Coutinho is a cam. He is a natural playmaker. He's a number 10. And at Barcelona, Valverde played him as a left winger. जो कि बहुत गलत था. Although that's very certain कि if a player joins a team, you should at least give him an year or two to cement his position because not everybody is like Salah because they cannot get the ground running as soon as they join any new team. So you need to give them time. तो बार्सिलोना ने ये नहीं किया. Even हम fans ने भी उसे ऐसा accept नहीं किया because all we demand are goals and those amazing runs from Coutinho because we know his potential is way too much than what he has been delivering at Barcelona and even at Bayern Munich. Now, Bayern Munich was kind of a game breaker or game changer for Coutinho. Although he was played in his position behind Lewandowski and behind those two strong wingers, he was played as a cam. Like it has been mentioned by the German expert Patrick Stresser that Coutinho didn't live up to his expectation. And the main problem was that although he was doing well at Bayern, but the rise of Muller and Goretzka saw him suffer being in the first team. And it was also said that everyone, including him, also knew that he wasn't there to stay for long. Stresser further mentioned that Coutinho wasn't the player that Hansi Flick desired. They really don't need him in the team. Why? Because he's a pure number 10. He's a playmaker. So what's wrong with that? There is no spot in the first team जिसमें Coutinho easily खेल पाए because he has to compete with Thomas Muller. Because last 2 seasons से Thomas Muller उतना अच्छा नहीं खेला है because the previous manager Nico Kovac उसने almost bench कर दिया Muller को and there were speculations कि Muller eventually Bayern Munich छोड़ देगा but after Hansi Flick arrived उसने Muller को एक नया resurgence दे दिया. Now he is a player who has contributed to 17 assists in the top 5 league this season. So although Bayern has too many options up front, Thiago is there, Kimmich is there, Kingsley Coman is there on the wings, Serge Gnabry is there on the wings. They have too many attacking options and the rise of Goretzka at the place as a cam. Coutinho के लिए बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो गया वो कि वो अपनी पोजीशन को वहाँ पे सिमेंट करे. सो व्हाट नाउ? क्या Bayern Munich 120 मिलियन बार्सिलोना को दे एंड कहे कि नहीं गिव मी दिस प्लेयर? व्हाई डू दे नीड हिम? दे डोंट नीड हिम नाउ. सो अब Coutinho के दिमाग में क्या होगा? व्हाट शुड ही डू? Although Barcelona have dropped their asking price of Coutinho from 100 million euros to around 60 and 70 and there's a lot of fight going on in the streets of England for his signature. Coutinho's agent, Kia Joorabchian, is a fan of Arsenal and he is also a very good friend of their technical director Edu. So this has made a move to Arsenal very much likely because Ceballos is leaving Arsenal. He will leave at the end of his loan and Arteta is very much inclined to improve his squad and Coutinho can just be the perfect player for him. But will Arsenal be willing to pay such a huge amount? Like 70 million is still way too much for Gunners. I don't think so that they can just jump in the market paying 70 million euros for a player they don't really trust will perform. Next in the list, who might just be able to pay a 60 million or 70 million asking price of Barcelona for Coutinho are Newcastle United. A club that will have plenty of money after the Arabian takeover is completed. Rumors are flying high of Mauricio Pochettino as being appointed as the manager of Newcastle United, and Coutinho can be persuaded अगर एक अच्छा मैनेजर न्यूकासल यूनाइटेड पे अपॉइंट होता है. सो I don't see there will be a problem for Coutinho joining Newcastle United. Although वो उतनी high rated team नहीं है. That team isn't in the top 6 of Premier League, but still we can see a change when the Arabians come to Newcastle United with that amount of money, with the players that they are being linked to. Coutinho can really feel यार हाँ ये ठीक है, ये team पे बढ़िया setup लग रहा है. I should go there. So Newcastle seem to be a destination, but I don't think so that move can materialize because Coutinho still has an option in Chelsea. Frank Lampard has already held discussions with Coutinho to make a move to the West London. But I think so that because of the signing of Hakim Ziyech from Ajax and the rise of Mason Mount, that position is still occupied at Chelsea. You cannot play 2 or 3 camps. You cannot bench Coutinho and play Mason Mount up there. You cannot bench Hakim Ziyech and play Coutinho. It will be a whole lot of mess for Frank Lampard. So I don't think that still Chelsea would be a suitable destination for that guy. Although Manchester United is still interested, but same condition वहाँ पे भी है. Bruno Fernandes is still there. How will you play Bruno Fernandes along with Coutinho? तो फिर वही होगा कि Coutinho को हम विंग पे भेजेंगे, Bruno Fernandes सेंटर में खेलेगा, Paul Pogba, Matic पीछे से सपोर्ट करेंगे, Rashford आगे, Martial आगे. But I don't think so कि ये भी काम की चीज़ है Coutinho के लिए. Now coming on to the major point of this video, what can be the perfect destination for Coutinho? अब क्या करे वो? दो सॉल्यूशंस है मेरे पास यहाँ पे Coutinho के लिए. Either he should head back to Barcelona. Why? Because under the new coach Quique Setien, Barcelona do need a creator. Because creativity बहुत lack करी Barcelona में. We all have been seeing them conceding goals, not being able to deliver in the final third, and their heavy reliance on Lionel Messi. So what should they do? They should bring back Coutinho, try to play him as a cam with De Jong and Rakitic. Now, left wing pe we have the support of Dembele, strike pe we have Suarez, right pe we have Messi. And if Coutinho plays in his preferred position as a playmaker, as a number 10, so we can really see him doing things there. If Barcelona still plays him as a left winger or a right winger, because right winger पे वो तो literally टट्टी है यार. नहीं सही है, because I don't like him as a right winger, because Valverde ने जब उसको 4-4-2 formation में right wing पे खिलाया था, I literally laughed and Barcelona suffered. Although एक second option है, we have another option for Coutinho that he can again try for a loan move to some other clubs. Now which clubs? I think so Bayern Munich अगर ready है उसको दोबारा से लोन पे लेने के लिए, so they are also one option. There are another options for Coutinho, जैसे कि he can try to secure a loan move to Borussia Dortmund or even Paris Saint-Germain, because that team can really make use of Coutinho. Another option for Coutinho is Inter Milan. Now, Inter Milan में कैसे deal हो सकती है? See, Barcelona is in pursuit of Lautaro Martinez. Now, we all know, और मेरे previous video में मैंने बताया कि how Barcelona is very much interested in Lautaro Martinez, and now Barcelona can use him as a player plus cash deal in the exchange of Lautaro Martinez. अब यहाँ पे सिर्फ बात आती है, is Inter ready to have Coutinho in the team? Do they really need him? So my take on Coutinho would be go back to Barcelona and spend another year. See how things pan out. And I definitely feel अगर वो पूरे अपने potential से Barcelona में खेले, combining with Suarez, combining with Leo Messi, that will be the best for him. With the midfield of Coutinho, De Jong, Vidal or Rakitic in behind him, we can see the creativity of Coutinho along with Messi, because whenever I saw those two play, there was really sparks. And so these were my takes on this topic. आपको क्या लगता है? What should Coutinho do? What should be the best destination for Coutinho? Drop it in the comment box. And अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया, आपको एनालिसिस पसंद आया, so just यहाँ पे सब्सक्राइब बटन है, hit the subscribe button. यार we are trying to reach 1000 subscribers so that we can really monetize this channel. And if you guys are liking this video, the presentation of the video, do help us in that cause. Drop a subscribe, share it with your friends, and I'll be back soon. Until next time, peace out.